because this might just blow your mind. What you're about to hear could change the way you think about wealth and opportunity forever. Did you know that over 50% of millionaires actually made their fortunes during economic downturns? Yes, you heard that right. While the world is in panic, these individuals are strategically positioning themselves to come out on top. That's right, while most folks are running scared, the savvy investors are raking it in. They see opportunities where others see disaster. They understand that the market's volatility is not a threat, but a chance to buy low and sell high. Recessions are like giant reset buttons, creating opportunities that only the bold can seize. It's a time when the old ways are broken down, and new paths to success are forged. The landscape of business and investment is reshaped, and those who are prepared can capitalize on these changes. The key is to shift your perspective. Forget doom and gloom. Embrace the chaos. See it as a fertile ground for new ideas and ventures. It's about having the courage to act when others are paralyzed by fear. Because in the words of the great Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This wisdom has guided many through turbulent times, turning potential losses into substantial gains. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of recession riches? It's not just about having money to invest, it's about having the knowledge and the mindset to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Then buckle up, because we're diving deep into the strategies that can make you a fortune, even when times are tough. We'll explore the tactics used by the wealthiest individuals to not just survive, but thrive during economic downturns. Remember, every crisis is a chance for reinvention, a chance to build something extraordinary. So, are you in? The journey to financial success in tough times starts with a single step. Let's take that step together and turn adversity into advantage. Listen up, because the year 2025 is your golden ticket to financial freedom. Why? Because experts are predicting a significant economic downturn, and as we just learned, that spells opportunity. The streets will be paved with deals, businesses will be ripe for the picking, and real estate, forget about it. It'll be a buyer's paradise. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, are you nuts? A recession? That's terrifying. But hold your horses, because fear is the enemy here. Fear leads to paralysis, to missed opportunities. Instead, I need you to see this recession as a launchpad, a springboard to catapult you towards your financial goals. Forget about surviving the recession. We're talking about thriving in it. Let's address the elephant in the room, fear. It's natural to feel anxious during a recession. Job security goes wobbly, your portfolio might take a dip, and the doom and gloom news cycle doesn't help. But here's the thing. Letting fear control you is like handing the keys to your financial future to a reckless driver. So how do you conquer these anxieties? Knowledge, my friend. Educate yourself about market cycles. Understand that recessions are a natural part of the economic rhythm, and remember that they don't last forever. In fact, some of the most prosperous periods in history have followed economic downturns. Arm yourself with information, seek guidance from financial mentors, and remember, fortune favors the bold. Section 4, Recession Investing, Your Roadmap to Wealth. Alright, let's talk strategy. In times of economic downturn, it might seem counterintuitive, but these periods can actually present some of the best opportunities to build wealth. How do you actually make money during a recession? The key is to stay informed and be prepared to act when opportunities arise. Remember those savvy investors we talked about? The ones who seem to always come out on top, no matter the economic climate? Well, they understand a simple principle: buy low, sell high. This principle is the cornerstone of successful investing, especially during a recession. And guess what? Recessions are the ultimate buy low sale. First up, real estate. When the market dips, property prices plummet, creating incredible opportunities for savvy investors. Think bargain homes, undervalued rental properties, the works. During these times, you can acquire properties at a fraction of their true value. Next, we've got the stock market. The stock market can be a roller coaster during a recession, with prices swinging wildly. Yes, it's going to be volatile, and that can be intimidating. But that volatility is your friend. It creates opportunities to buy stocks at a discount. Look for solid companies with strong fundamentals that are temporarily undervalued. These are companies that have a proven track record, strong management, and a solid business model. This is your chance to buy into quality at a discount. Imagine owning shares of a top-tier company for a fraction of their usual price. And finally, consider business ventures. Starting or investing in a business during a recession might seem risky, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Recessions often create gaps in the market as businesses falter. This means there are unmet needs and opportunities for new businesses to step in and fill the void. This is your chance to innovate, to offer solutions, and to meet the demands that others are unable to fulfill, and to build something extraordinary. By being strategic and taking calculated risks, you can turn a recession into a period of growth and prosperity. Section 5. The McDonald's Mogul, a Recession Success Story. Let's talk about Ray Kroc, the man who turned McDonald's into a global empire. Guess what? He started during a recession. In the 1950s, while others were struggling, Kroc saw the potential in a small burger joint run by the McDonald brothers. He didn't let the economic climate deter him. He saw an opportunity to provide affordable, convenient food to a nation hungry for normalcy. The rest, as they say, is history. This story isn't just about burgers and fries. It's about recognizing potential when others see only despair. It's about having the audacity to build, to innovate, and to thrive even when the odds are stacked against you. Section 6. Your Recession Game Plan, Strategies for Success. In this chapter, we will delve into the essential strategies that can help you navigate through tough economic times and come out stronger on the other side. So, how do you become the next Ray Kroc? The man who turned McDonald's into a global empire? It starts with a vision and a relentless drive to achieve it. First off, you need a rock-solid mindset. This means cultivating a positive attitude and a strong belief in your ability to succeed, no matter the circumstances. Banish negativity and embrace the opportunities that abound during a recession. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. The key is to stay optimistic and open to new possibilities. Remember, wealth favors the bold, the action takers, the ones who see potential where others see only problems. It's about taking calculated risks and being proactive in your approach. Next, you need a plan. A well-thought-out strategy is crucial for navigating through uncertain times. This plan should outline your goals, the steps you need to take to achieve them, and the resources you'll need along the way. Identify your area of interest, whether it's real estate, the stock market, or starting a business. Focus on what you are passionate about and where you see the most potential for growth. Educate yourself, research, and stay informed about the latest trends and developments in your chosen field. Knowledge is your most powerful tool. And don't be afraid to seek guidance from mentors and financial advisors. Their experience and insights can provide valuable direction and help you avoid common pitfalls. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in times of economic uncertainty. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Finally, be prepared to hustle. Success during a recession requires more than just a good plan. It demands relentless effort and perseverance. Recessions are not for the faint of heart. They demand hard work, dedication, and a willingness to push through challenges. They demand hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. It's about staying focused and committed, even when the going gets tough. And a relentless pursuit of your goals. Remember, the most successful people are those who never give up, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Keep pushing forward, and success will follow. Section 7. Join the conversation. Share your path to prosperity. There you have it, folks. The 2025 recession might seem daunting, but it's also an incredible opportunity to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, recessions are cyclical. They're a natural part of the economic landscape, and they always give way to periods of growth and prosperity. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on building wealth during a recession? Share your ideas, your fears, your strategies. Let's create a community of support, of knowledge sharing, of individuals committed to thriving, not just surviving in any economic climate.